This tracker helps manage your risk, track your growth, and build consistency in your trading journey with clear, simple steps. Let's take a tour. Top section, it's about day date. Select the current trading day. It will show today's date automatically. The system will not allow you to operate for tomorrow or the following days after completing today's sessions. This will save you from the habit of overtrading. Now let's see the main input fields. Please fill these spaces for calculation. Here you can choose your risk mode, moderate, aggressive, etc. to match your trading style. The mode function in the Seed Optitrade Tracker lets you choose your risk mode to match your trading style. This function controls your lot size and risk per trade, helping you align your trading with your comfort level and goals. Conservative and safe mode uses small lot sizes and keeps your risk very low, usually around 1.5% to 1% of your account balance per trade, allowing you to grow steadily with minimal stress. The moderate mode uses medium lot sizes with a risk of about 100 to 20% per trade, providing a balance between safety and faster growth. You can choose a faster and riskier mode according to your style. Initial balance, your starting account balance. Target type, select if your daily target is in dollars or percentage. Target, enter your daily profit target. Broker percentage, the payout percentage your broker offers. Added here, it is very important. Martingale multiplier, used for loss recovery. For example, if your multiplier is set to 2, your next trade after a loss will be doubled in size, aiming to recover the previous loss plus gain profit when the next trade wins. Let's calculate. Now let's see the middle section. Stop loss, the maximum loss limit before stopping trading. Lot size, the trade size per entry, very important. Gain multiplier factor for calculations. Sessions, number of trades planned for the day to reach the profit target. For every single trade win, come here and mark it. Each dot here represents a session. Profit, total profit achieved so far. Balance, current updated account balance. FG%, often stands for floating gain. This shows your current floating profit loss as a percentage. Martingale, number of martingale steps allowed according to the main input field's range. Set up your steps, e.g. 1, 2, 4, 8 if you are using martingale recovery. Bottom buttons. Export. Export your trading data, CSV Excel, for review or journaling. Weekly summary. View your week's results. Reset day. Clear data for a new day. Calculate. Processes your input to generate lot size, target profit, session plan, and updates the profit and balance sections automatically. Session tracker. Mark complete. Confirm session completion. Exit session. Leave the current session safely. Now you're ready to track your trades with clarity, discipline, and confidence. Let's trade smart.